Hello stars, welcome back to my channel, Starbakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make condensed milk buttercream. This buttercream has just two main ingredients, your butter and your condensed milk. And as you can see, it is quite stable. You can use this to pipe and cover a cake. Let's see how that goes. First and foremost, the most important is your butter. You need your butter before you would be needing your condensed milk, so I give it more importance. You are whipping this up until it's completely pale or until you get it as pale as you can. Guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate if you join the P-Star family and become a star. After beating your butter completely, you can proceed to add your condensed milk batch by batch. And at this point, I know you guys have noticed quite a number of hands holding this mixer. That's because I had two other pairs of hands helping me in this process. So it was quite easy because all I had to do was supervise. Yes, kids can make this too. It's that easy. Also remember to scrape the sides because we want all that butter whipped together, right? After scraping the side, you can proceed to add your flavoring. I know I said two ingredients, but actually why I said two ingredients is because your vanilla is not that important. I mean, you can take your buttercream without a vanilla in there, right? Well, I can. The mixing process wasn't over. We had to add more condensed milk because condensed milk is the main source of sugar in here. So you need to add quite enough of it. Also, you need to keep in mind to not add too much of it because we don't want a watery buttercream getting soggy and all over the place. And at this point, I realized the amount of sugar was enough. But then do not worry guys, I have the measurements down below in the description box for you so you can easily use my measurements and everything would be good. I just continued to mix that up with my spatula to get in all those other ones that were sticking by the side of the bowl. But then at the end of the day, our condensed milk buttercream is completely ready. You can see that so silky, so smooth, so light. To top it up, so delicious. And look at this, it pipes easily on our cake. And it is quite stable also. Guys, if you enjoy this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And also drop a comment down below. Tell me how this recipe worked for you. I would be happy to reply to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.